Hello everybody, out here in Denver attending Collaboration Aging, trying to learn and try to help these businesses to build, strengthen their referral network. The attendees are funeral homeowners, hospices, and senior care providers, and they all heavily rely on referral network. So last video I talked about leveraging social media, specifically Facebook. The other very, very good network, of course, would be LinkedIn. No brainer. LinkedIn is more B2B based rather than B2C. So this my suggestion here is really sit down and look at your existing database. Uh, Shame on you for not having a database or a CRM. Definitely you need a CRM, a database. But literally go through your database and use your personal LinkedIn profile, not your business, right? LinkedIn is more B2B. So use your personal page, right? Your personal LinkedIn page, and really go through your database and really network with them one by one. And when you're reaching out, don't just use hey add, right? Just add them. You really want to make sure you're putting some notes in there to get their attention. That way, now they accept your invitation to be friends. Then, of course, ongoing, you gotta be creating good, valuable content. So LinkedIn is definitely a very, very good way to build and strengthen your referral network. And it takes time. Obviously, it takes time to be networking, adding one by one, but it really pays off because, right, B2B based business, we all heavily rely a lot on LinkedIn. So really take an afternoon and really go through your list and start adding each of your those who you want to build network with one by one, right? If you're home, you definitely want to make sure you're networking with the hospice social worker, for example, right? If you're hospice, of course, you got it. I'm sure you got a list of referral network, referral sources, those maybe physicians, nursing homes, right? Really, LinkedIn is going to be a very, very good way. And LinkedIn so far still has very, very high organic reach. And it's very, very good. You can also leverage it to once they accept you as their friend, now you can privately message them. So that way, organic reach, you get to privately message them. That's why it's a very, very good tool to be building and strengthening your relationship. Let me know if you have any questions.